like, honey? Like we've been here. Ya, take picture aja. Nah aja. Here is RJ. What? Number 4, honey. There is now.
Let's check it.
There's so long. There is. It's charging. Okay guys, I'm here. We're tired now, walking in the Universal Studio.
We'll have to come back and finish up some other time.
And we go home now because we're tired.
And tomorrow's another day.
And tomorrow is the other day. Sightseeing. We not know where we go. Have no plan.
Make plans tonight. Maybe get pizza. We'll talk about the plans for tomorrow.
And okay, I want to show you here driving around how we go to hotel.
We're in a big parking garage, circling around trying to get out.
Yeah, so big this garage here.
They make some good money.
Yeah. Garage here is so
parking.
Parking except. Hey man, you hungry? You hungry walking? Poor RG, sweetie.
Oh no, fellas. Oh, what's what happened?
I don't know. Maybe that is.
What they say?
I don't know. Here's outside. You drink water, RJ.
I guess I turned right.
I ate medium.
Kid, what is there? Okay, mauni siya ang gawa sa Universal
Yeah,
Studio.
let it recalculate. Google Maps would like to access your microphone. Okay.
Is sunshine. There is the people, they go home now.
Monica Boulevard. taking us a different way this time. Last time we were on 101.
Turn right onto the California 134 East ramp to Pasadena.
Traffic light bridge.
Use the right lane.
This is St. John. What's St. John
Street
in it?
Boulevard.
Oh. Got this house here.
I'm saying it would be nice to live in this area, right?
So big, that honey. $1 million.
A lot of big house.
$1 million, this house here. Oops. Good bump.
You know, when I was taking video on the tram when it was shaking and everything, cameras all over the place. It's like this. Yours too? We'll have to see how good the gimbal did on that.
Yep, it's shaking too.
Turn left onto
Oh,
Columbia
right.
Street.
Turn left.
Everyone's turning left.
It's the house here.
There it is.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, we're going direct to McDonald's now.
Yeah,
You arrived.
you arrived.
Check out
There
this.
is. You arrived. No, so bright, the sun.
Now look for all the other places you want donuts. You want that? How about donut dinner today?
No, I not want
3 donuts each.
So sweet. House of Alhambra.
And we'd be better off Pasadena in the mountain.
Nick, see McDonald's.
It's McDonald's. There he is.
How come McDonald's didn't put a big sign up? Look how little it is.
There's McDonald's small.
Boom.
M.
No, you forgot.
What are you? There is McDonald's big. Cannot see because of trader.
Okay, so what do we get? 4 burgers
Yeah.
and medium fry.
Yep. Okay, that's
That
it. Little Caesar. Daddy buy pizza. What you say, RJ?
This is what we got for 7-Eleven.
What's that?
Brown cookies.
Grandma, you toured in Universal Studio, RJ walking?
I said, only my foot.
Only your foot?
Yeah.
It make hurt?
Yeah.
Oh. And sweetie, too, it's super hot.
Let me show you something secret. Also, we got it here.
What? Oh, a plus light. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for today. Our adventure in Universal Studio. If you like it, don't forget to like, shares, and subscribe. Here is the pizza. Little Caesar. Okay. Here he is. Here he is. So, you eat this, RG? Look at that pizza. No. And here is the bread. The bread here. Hot. Okay, that's it. Let's eat. That's it, guys. For dinner. Okay, bye.